Hello, everyone. Simon here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this video as a daily recap and new setups, right? As usual. So let's get started. Very, very tired right now. I'm going to go a little quicker so that I can cover gold and some Bitcoin because I'm getting a lot of emails and I'm not getting enough time to make a separate video. So let's get started here. At the end, I'll show gold and Bitcoin and I'll tell you what I think. All right, so this is today's trade, simple trades on 11th. This is a 7-minute entry here from, 7-minute entry of this pound yen. This is a sell order, SL move to break even plus, and it came down here, but I ended up, losing this much back again. But it's still from entry to this yellow line at the time I recorded, it's 70 pip. That's not bad. The next trade today was a Euro Aussie, right? 65 pip. Came down. This is NFP drama here, and then went down again, and 65 pip here. Small trades today. This is from 20-minute chart, right? So this was, yesterday, right? And then this is today. So you see, this was not a proper entry, but yeah, this was, and then from here to here was, I think I remember 85 pip, and then now 115 pip again. So you get, entry, drop, entry, drop, entry, drop. If you miss one entry, you can always get another entry. It is on today, 11th. Pound Aussie did the same thing. There was an entry here. See this the arrow? So this was a trade, then this was a trade, and this is today's trade. Right, so every day that happens, when the price is moving, then you get one entry at least every day, and then and 7 minute and 20 minutes. So that's like 2 trades every day, every pair, sometimes even more, depending how volatile the prices are. So sell order is right there. You can see this is 110 pip. This is Euro yen. Yen is keep getting strong, sending all yen pair to the downside badly, right? So that's what happened. So this was the trade, then NFP, then drama here, come down, and then blah, blah, blah. So 105 pip. And this one, CAD again, all yen pairs went down, and all of them gave me the entry. And where's Aussie yen? I think Aussie yen is the one that didn't give me the entry. Yeah, everything else did. Yeah. Okay. So these are a few 5, 6 trades. Now let's go take a look one by one at what is currently happening and what we can do for tonight. Thursday night is one of the biggest night, right? So let's get started here with this thing here. All right, so I'm gonna start, going from the beginning. The Euro Aussie. Now, Euro Aussie. See, this is what's happening here, right? So obviously, sometimes on this, you're expecting a bounce from here, and then from here, what the heck happening? It's keep going down, down, down. So sometimes you have to. Well, most of the time, actually, I do, but I don't show. But now I'm gonna show that what is happening really in Aussie Euro Aussie pair on the weekly chart. So let's get started there. And the weekly chart study, and you will see a little bit of bigger picture. That's what I call bigger picture that happened here. Okay. Euro Aussie weekly chart. Okay, you see, this is the bigger picture now. So the Aussie dollar keep getting very strong. And because of that, we have like A, B, and then C is coming down powerfully. And this is the 61% bypassing that, breaking the TL, and then very close is 78%. And this high here, see that? This is a monthly high, by the way, 65.94. It's a big high. And you can see here somewhere in the, if I can go back, 65 right there. So standing alone here right now. So we are bypassing all of these numbers, and we are dealing with this number 65.94, which is very important. So maybe 65.94 will give us a little bounce back to maybe some of one of these levels here. So I'm looking for a bounce from this area, right? So that's what the Euro Aussie. You see this 65.94 is this right there, and if you pull the fib from here to here, 161% extension, second level. First level is 127, second is 161. So 161 is almost coming into the vicinity, 65.77 it is, right? So maybe this is where the wave 3 is going to end, and then we're probably going to go ABC, doing ABC to the upside. So let's see what happens, right? So far, so good. And we are probably going to come down a little bit and then go up. That's what I'm looking at. But it can go right from here. That's why I have this here. So what the approach is that it doesn't matter here, 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 or even down here. Whenever you have a reversal candle, that is the heads up for a turning point. Now, if the price is really turning, then it will give you the blue candle and another blue candle, and maybe 2 or 3 blue candles. You get the long entry on the 7-minute chart, and then I take that one. So that is like a confirmation from 40 that yes, we are making a turn, and then you have an entry. And even then, if you lose, how much we have as hard SL? Always we entry with 15 pip SL. If it's wrong, you lose 15 pip. That's it. No more than that, and then let it drop. Right? It's gonna make a reversal candle again, and then start dropping. So let it go, or find a short entry. 2 choices. So if it's too much down, and then even then, when you see that if this is bypassing and we're finding support here, resistance, and then dropping again to the downside, obviously we are going for 161. So you can take the short entry, even though it's a very big drop. But yeah, you can take the short entry, which I did. So I just showed you, right? EURAUD to the downside, pound Aussie, EURAUD, because they're not stopping, to be honest with you. So they are keep going to the next level and the next level and the next level. So this is what it is. So this is pound Aussie. That's what it is. Sorry, Euro Aussie. Now pound Aussie doing the same thing. There was wave 3, 4, and I thought maybe 5 is ending here. No, okay. So maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. So that keep going down. So let's go take a look at the pound Aussie weekly chart as well. That if we can make sense out of that. And pound Aussie weekly chart will tell this story, right? So now we have again same, Aussie getting strong, then Euro Aussie, pound Aussie both dropping big time. So this was a very big number, and I was expecting 95% hope that 91.78 will give me a bounce, but nope, sorry. So now this is the number that we are at right now. This is 91.25, right? And right now what we're doing, 91.05. So we are even bypassing this one. So what's next? This one is gone. This one is gone. What the heck, right? So it's keep going down. So let's see when it is going to give us the entry, if there will be an entry or up move. But this is a big, big drop, and going short is really dangerous to me. But still, look what happened today. I had the trades, right? Let me see if where the heck is it? I had it, man. Here? Okay, yeah. So Parnazi, you can see, here, that was, you see that? Parnazi. So this was yesterday, and then today again, beautiful short setup, and then started it. Now, even if you're all the way down, and you can take a risk. Why? Because if you have an entry here, your SL on this one, even 20-minute chart, is only 25 pip. Yesterday I made 85 pip from this pair alone. So it doesn't matter if I take a loss of 25. Or sometimes what happens is most of the time, when I make the entry, the price goes down a little bit and then go and hit my SL. And at that time, by that time, I'm already on the break even, right? Or maybe 5 pip or 10 pip loss. So no big deal. 5 pip, losing 5 pip or 10 pip, taking a risk of 410 or 85 here, right? So far 85, 110, and probably 100 here as well. See, this was an entry too. And then I had 7-minute as well. I think. Yeah, see that? No, this is also yesterday's, the first entry. Which one is that? It's on the 10, sorry. How the heck I got into the 10? Oh, okay. So they are there. Anyway, so yeah, that was yesterday's trade. Then today, 285. No, That was day before yesterday or yesterday, and then 85 pip, and then this is 100 some pip, 115 pip. So yeah, keep going down, right? So where the heck is gonna stop? So the approach is going to be, my approach is that maybe somewhere here, if it gives me a reversal candle, then I'll start looking for a 7-minute entry. If I find one, I'm gonna take that because it's a pretty big drop and may retrace at least this much, right? Maybe 61% of this drop. So I'll take my chances, and if not, then it's gonna make down, and then I lose 15 pip, no problem, and then it's gonna go down more. Maybe now I would not touch it until it comes down here, 90.35 maybe will give us a bounce because it's 161% here as well. So this is what pound is. And now pound USD, my take was that this thing is gonna go somewhere here, it's gonna drop, right? This is a bullish butterfly in the making. So once it's there here at 127, it will be a bullish butterfly completed. So this is on point C, right? So it's supposed to be coming down. So slowly it is coming down. Even after NFP, USD got good numbers, but not getting as strong, right? So this is why it's very slow. It came down a little bit, but very slow. So I don't have any trade. No entry here. But this is the current setup right now. That's I will stick to this setup here as long as we are below 36.80. It's gonna come down eventually. Okay, Euro USD again. This is the chart I made. That's gonna go up there. Yes, 23% line was the target, but it got stopped here at the back of the TL, the channel TL, and then here it also after NFP started to drop a little bit, but not much volume here, right? So forget about this one. I don't trade this one anyway. So pound yen now. Now pound yen, see that this I was expecting that it's gonna bounce from here. It did, but then it came down again. Now this is a big level, very big level here. Okay, and we are sitting down here. So I will redo this chart and post on the Telegram. If you are already a member, then you're gonna get that chart on the Telegram. All of these charts I record and then post on the Telegram. So if you're not currently a member, subscriber, then and if you want to get the chart, and if you want to get the charts, then you go and subscribe. Right? So 208.13, where the heck is that? All right, let's go take a look. GJ. GU making a short right now. Okay. But pound and USD, both not Asian currencies, so I'm not going to bother with that in Asian session. Now, pound yen, we're looking for 208.13. Where the heck is that number? So on a weekly chart, this is the high, right? So this is the high is 208.13. Very, very big. And we are, you see that? Big drop straight to this. Are we going to hold? That's the question. So my weekly chart was this, that we somewhere there, we're going to make the turn and drop. And we did, right? So this was expected. So now, if we hold, we're going to go back up. If not, maybe it's going to drop to this number next, right? So 205.32 to the downside. If not, if we bounce from here, then 213.08 to the upside. So based on that, GJ, if you look at this 40-minute chart right now, it's a pretty big drop here, right? After this, 213.08, drop, excuse me, down to 208.13. So maybe it's pretty, this is called three drive pattern. Three drive pattern is a reversal pattern. So 1, 2, 3 at a level, right? Very strong level, and also weekly support. Third, S3. It's a very good chance of bouncing from here, right? At least 61% of this drop. That's what I'm looking for. Let's see if we get it. As long as we are staying above 208 and I got the first entry on 7-minute chart, I will jump on it. All right, so this is what it is. And then based on that, all GBPAUD should be going to the upside. So they are all like it's a big drop, and I will wait, expect a little bit of a reversal here, or retracement, not reversal, retracement, right? So that is a very big possibility for a little retracement. USD yen, Also here you can see that I made the chart yesterday that is going to bounce from here. It did. And my take was that it's going to go from here to here. Let me see if I can pull the chart real quick. What was that? UJ? Okay. UJ. What the heck happened, man? Why they're like that? Okay, UJ. You see that? This is the chart I made yesterday. See here. That is going to be bouncing from here and then go back to 54. So we did, but NFP messed up everything again, right? So we did bounce from here, and hit the 54, but we came back down here. Right? For some reason. I don't know why. Numbers were good, right? So the employment from, I think, 66 came out to 130 something. So that was a good one. And then unemployment went down from 4.4 to 4.3. So usually should be getting it strong, but they did some kind of revision or something to the numbers. I don't know. And then USD still getting weaker for now. So let's see what happened tonight. So this is a very huge number in USD yen, right? 51.94. Where is that standing? Let's go take a look at this USD yen. Be careful with this. 208.13 may give us a very good bounce. At least 60% retracement of the top. Okay, USD monthly chart, UJ monthly chart, you can see here, this is what it is. And that number 51.94 is right there. Right, so we went above it, we came back, and we are staying a little bit above this. Right, you can see here. This is 51.94. So, we went above it, then came down, then bounced again above that number, right? This is the line. So very close to the line and above, boom. Then we came back down here again today. Today we are again here, just above this number. So are we going to hold this number? I think so. I think we need to go to the upside more. So let's see what happens if USD gets strong or yen start to get weaker again. Very much we will go to the upside again. That's what my take is. So if I get a reversal candle here and again entry, the long entry in the volume time, I'll jump on it definitely. So this is USD yen. There's a lot of good setups if you can understand what the setups are on my chart side. So Aussie yen, beautiful setup here. This is bouncing from not only, see, this is a channel. You create channels and TLs all the time. So it came down here, hit the channel, small inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And we are here posting a reversal candle already, bullish reversal. And now we some kind of like a reversal, bearish reversal, but this is still in the making. So we, very good chance that we'll just bounce. The first thing we're going to bounce here and then make this big head and shoulder pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder here. Break that and then we go for extension just like here. This is the extension for this move, 127%, and then it's going to go and hit the channel at 127 again. All right, so this is how Aussie yen also showing the upside. What about CAD yen? CAD yen, this is what CAD yen is doing. If you take this some kind of wave 4 or 5, well, if I think it's like wave 4, but then if it is going to be a flat correction, then this thing need to be coming down below this flat correction. But there is another one, sorry, a regular flat. Regular flat, right? Flat, but we call it regular flat, where A equal B equals C. C is a little bit below A. That's regular flat. But then there's something called a running flat, where A equal B, but C stays above A, and then a run to the upside. Since I'm expecting yen weakness again, and all yen pairs showing the upside move, then very well this thing may be a running flat. And then it will hold here and then go to the upside. So what is the level here? I think it's probably 78%, 61 to 78, right? 78 exactly. So we are touching 78 and good bounce, and then we can go back to first 38%, second this high, third extension. 160, so 127 to 161. So we will deal with that as it goes move along to the upside. USD CAD. I had the chart I just showed you yesterday that it's going to drop from here to here, and it did. Now, I think that USD probably going to get strong, and then if that happens, then this thing need to be going to the upside again. Okay, so this is also probably 78 to 88% retracement here. Come on here. 88%. Right. So and then it bounced and then holding above this area, 35.65. Right, and trying to go up, finding support here. All right. So let's take a look. Somebody was asking about the weekly chart of USD CAD. So let me just show you here. You see, I see, they see. Where the heck is USD? Okay, here. Let's take a look at that. Okay. This is what happened. The weekly chart, and this is a monthly chart here. This is USD CAD, right? So you can see, well, nothing is very clear though, right? So forget about that. It's way back. This is the low here. I think this is the low that we are dealing with. This is 35.40, right? 35.40. And right now we are doing 35.71. So we are just above 35.40. So is that 35.40? 35.65 weekly high. Where the heck is that? 35.65 weekly. Okay, so weekly chart 35.65. Look for 35.40. That's the one that I was just talking about. 35.88. 35.85. No, 33.85. Where's 35.65, man? Oh, here. This baby here. 35.65. Then we have 36.64. But this is what it is doing. So if you see that I made the chart here a long time ago, then it's 27 December, that this is going to be, it's like A, B, and then C, we will go to the upside. I was expecting B here, but it was going to the upside, but then came back down a little bit, right? But it's still in the vicinity, so this could be pretty much a wave B. So this could be like A, B, and then if USD gets strong now, we can go back up for C. And then, that would be like wave 1 or A, 2 or B, and then we will come down 3 or C later on. Right, so now AJ short. What the heck? Let me see. Okay, so it was making a bearish reversal. You see that? It dropped here. So this is what happened. AJ made the first bullish reversal, then didn't go up. So this is how this system saves you from taking a wrong entry. I mean, a lot of people will just see that, oh yeah, it is touching the TL, bouncing, so open the trade. No, I do not do that. Right? I wait after the reversal, I wait for a 7-minute long entry, which I never got here, right? On the 7-minute chart, on one first blue candle, you don't get it. The price do not go above the wave on the 7-minute chart. Maybe, wave, third candle or fourth candle. Then it goes. Like, for example, it start to go here. Somewhere here, you're going to see a 7-minute entry, long entry. And somewhere here, you're going to see a 20-minute entry. That's how it is. Here, somewhere here, you're going to get negative 5 to 7, 3 to 5 candle or 7 candle, 7-minute long. But here you can see that only one candle, and then we have a bearish reversal, right? And there's a TL. So it's not going to the upside. It's coming down. Excuse me. So that's why it says AJ short, because I have this here, right? Now, okay, shut up now. All right, so what else? What else? Okay, everything covered. Now let's go take a look at the gold quickly. I'm not covering gold for some time because to me, my wave 3 was finished and wave 4 is gonna drop in wave 4, and I said as it was dropping just before. Let me see the chart that I made. Monthly chart. You see that? So this is the chart. I had gold chart made, and then I've been showing this chart a long time. That wave 3 will end, and then we're gonna drop for wave 4 big time, right? So this drop scares me, and then I stop trading this, and then you can see that I don't have any gold trade nowadays. I used to have like 4 or 5 every day, right? But it was when it was going powerfully to the upside. But on the daily chart, you can see that this is what my take is. That this 1, 2, 3, that this wave 4 is the wave 4 of this wave 5 that will end wave 3. So wave 3 is not ended yet to me. Wave 3 is probably gonna go even above that a little bit, right here somewhere. Then we're gonna drop for big wave 4 on this one here. So wave 3 is not done yet to me, right? So this, you see this weekly blue count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this blue count wave 5 will end wave 3. Okay, and then look at the blue count. So that blue count wave 4 is there, and then wave 5 of the blue count is 1, 2, 3, and this wave 4 is of this blue count. And then this wave 5 will be of this blue count, wave 5. So wave 5 blue count will end here, which will end wave 3 of this black count. Then we're gonna drop for wave 4, big time, like here, 3,500 maybe. So that 3,500 is gonna be yeah, somewhere here. That wave 4. But once we get there, then we're gonna drop here. All right. So this is gold for now. And quickly we go and jump and look at the Bitcoin. That's why. So when it's wave 4, I stay away. The wave 4 is very dangerous. Don't want to play around with that. Now, my chart I showed in my last video that this is what I showed that we're gonna drop for wave 4. So after finishing wave 3, we were here when I made the chart. So we dropped nice and clean to my target was these 2 white lines here. So we poke into it already. And from now, I am expecting that it's gonna jump and then go here. Okay, so this is what I'm waiting for, and then see this bounce, nice bounce, and then coming back here and finding support at this number right now. And from there, we can just go to the upside. So this is what's happening in Bitcoin. I'm not touching Bitcoin also, for the time being right now. So this is it for now. And these are the setups, a lot of setups, right? And nothing concrete, but we can concrete means not at a level, right? Extend it, most of them. But the idea is that when the London session open and you have a reversal, pay attention. Just like having these sound right, GU short and AJ short, right? So where the heck is GU? AJ, you just saw that this is what's happening, but it's in their vicinity of this inverse head and shoulder, right? So this is what happens when there's no volume. It's like wobbling up, down, up, down. So don't pay much attention because we're not going to make any entry at all anyway, right? So it's 9:37. So from now on until 1 o'clock, no entries. Just let it go. It's going to be wobbling and all of that. But when comes Frankfurt open at 2 o'clock and then London at 3 o'clock, that's where the game starts, right? So then we will see that what kind of candle we have here. But I have a very strong feeling that we're going to go up into this area. Quickly, I'll show you before I close, yen index. Now, yen index is the one. Yen index is the culprit that driving all yen pairs to the downside, but it is also getting ready to go to the upside. So this chart, 33-minute chart, here's the chart, right? Again, sometimes, so like wave 1, 2, this 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, this is probably wave 3. Now, wave 4, we know that you see this count is coming from 1, 2, then 3, 4, and then wave 5. Let's say extended wave 5 we're having. Out of that, wave 1, 2, 3, and then this is very well is look like a flat correction, right? A, B, C. Just like, let me show you quickly that how the flat correction flat correction. Some hold on. Yeah, well, okay. That's not the chart that I want to show, but yeah, this is what happens sometimes, right? Most of the time, right? So 1, 2, then 3, and then A, B, C, and 5, right? Or with breakdown, subwaves 1, 2, 5, 3, and then 5, and then A, B, C, flat correction, and then goes to the upside. Running flat this one will not come down below this. So it will probably from here will go to the upside. But in this, our case right now, it is very close to be a regular flat. Come on, man. What's up? So it is almost to this area, right? So if you come down here and touch the 7531, which is a very big number on a weekly chart, this is the number, 7531. So if you touch this number and then bounce, then we can go back up for a retracement, right? Maybe, back of this TL and then drop, or maybe all the way to the, wave 5. If this is wave 4, then we can go up for wave 5 again to the upside, right? So even if a little bit, yen pairs will go big time to the upside, maybe a couple of hundred pips, right? So this is what I'm looking at very closely. It made the reversal here, drop. It made another reversal, but then bearish reversal and now dropping. So maybe it is coming for this number here, touch that, and then bounce. That's what I'm looking at, and that's where all the yen pair is going to go to the upside. So that's why I just showed you that I'm expecting a bounce from here and then go up. Yen is going to get weaker, and all yen pair will go up. And you saw the setup in yen pairs, right? Just like this one here, ready to go to the upside from here. EJ is very big drop already. This is a 3-drop pattern on a very, very big number, 208.13, right? So these are yen pairs ready to go to the upside. Let's see what happens. Maybe, maybe not, right? I don't care, right? Why? Because if it's not going to go in my way, then I'm safe from taking a wrong entry. And if they are going in my way, I'll take the entry from 7-minute or 20-minute or both, and I'll show my trades to you tomorrow. All right? So this is it for now. Let's get ready for tonight. And I'm gonna go take a nap and then get up around London session. Oh no, I have to cook for my wife and family also. So very tired, had doctor appointment and all of that, and not enough sleep. So I'm very, very tired, but let's see what happens. Let's see. All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later. Like I said, that if you want these charts of these pairs, the setups and all of that, and if you're not my subscriber, go on my website and subscribe so you can get in my Telegram channel, and that's where I post this video and individual charts as well. Who short? You said something.
AJ short.
Oh, AJ short. Okay, we already have it. All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later tomorrow.
AJ short.
How do I close it? Stop recording.
AJ